It's been fantastic to be part of the Safe System for Local Government workshop.
I think this workshop is really a wake-up call to people working in the local government sector.
The Western Australia Centre for Road Safety Research is based here at UWA to be a resource. They're looking for some research, they can't find the answers, we're here for them.
In road safety we need to share information. Our local government is a key part of road safety and they have much to contribute. But the understanding of what to do next and what they're capable of doing is often lacking in the sector. Local government is so diverse and there's so many different roles, so I think it's very beneficial to run this course frequently and often. Then you get a good grounding across the sector for people who know what to do next in road safety.
I mean, one of the biggest takeaways for me is around speeds, and as a local government, it is up to us to drive change to lower speeds. And I mean, lower speeds really underpins so many things in terms of road safety.
You know, I've learned the technical part, and this gives me something that isn't really covered in books and in courses that I've done.
I think that there's a big assumption from the community and probably myself that safety was the #1 priority when it came to the road network, but it's a bit of a rude awakening to know that it's not. Being educated around the entire concept of the safe systems approach would go a long way to try to make change at the higher level so it trickles down.
And it's something that's sorely needed, not just in Western Australia, but we should be replicating this all over the nation. It's hard enough as it is to do everything on your own, so what we need to do is have people share stories about their successes and importantly their failures, so we know how to evolve and move the whole agenda forward and save lives.